Hey guys, welcome to Trading Learners. In this video, I'm going to show you how to place different orders in Trade Tiger. Trade Tiger is one of the best trading platform available for retail traders in India. Come, let's see how we can place a different kind of orders in Trade Tiger. And also, I'm going to explain you how to and when to place those orders. Come, let's see. In Trade Tiger, you can place orders in the three different ways. One, directly from the market watch list, you just select your preferred stock and then you just select it and press hotkey F1 for buying, F2 for selling. The second option is from the mouse click. You just click left mouse click and then select buy or sell. The third option is you can also directly place orders from the chart window. You select entry line and keep wherever you want to buy or sell. Then double click the entry line and you can see the order window. You just go, if you want to buy or if you want to sell, just select the order type sell. Let's see our first order type, that is limit order. When you want to buy stock below market price, if you want to sell above market price, then you have to use the limit orders. For an example, if you want to buy, right now current market price of ICICI Bank is 361. If you want to buy at 351, okay, then you have to place a limit order. Just go to the chart panel, select the entry line and drag it near 351, okay, and then you just double click the entry line. Automatically the window will open. Order window will open. You just specify the quantity and then if you want to mention the disclosed quantity, you can mention, but it is not it is not necessary for retail traders. It is for institutions. If you are executing the bulk quantities, and then you can mention what is the disclosed quantities in market depth. For example, if you are executing 1 lakh orders, but you don't want to show 1 lakh orders in a market depth, then you can mention the small quantities like 10,000 quantities you can show in the disclosed quantities, and those quantities will be shown. The actual quantities will not be shown in the market depth. Got it? And then the price will automatically come because you are placing order from the chart. And then go to the product type. Are you buying for investment or for intraday trading? Big trade and big trade plus or the intraday products, where in the big trade you will get up to 10 times leverage and big trade plus will get up to 50 times leverage. And EMF, exchange margin funding, is available for investing. If you want to buy stocks on the leverage based, you can select this option. You can buy the stock, okay, where you will get up to 3 to 4 times you will get an exposure. Now you will get a leverage. So now for an example, I'll go with an investment. So I'll just tell, for an example, I place in 2 quantities and then just I'll place an order. The moment I press an order, you can see this window, then confirm, automatically the order will go to the exchange. Okay. In the same way, if you want to place an order, say example, you want to sell your stock at 372, just drag the entry line, double click, select the order type sell and then specify the quantities and then go to the price, mention 372 and product type. If you are placing an intraday trade or investment or big trade plus or EMF, select the order type. Say example, you are placing a big trade for intraday. Just go, and you can also see whenever you select, only 10% margin is required. In this case, it has just 10% is required. So margin required is 372. And this is what it is for 10 shares. it is asking only 372 rupees margin. Okay. So example, for 100 shares, the margin requirement is just 3,720 rupees. Okay. Then you just go and place an order. The window will come, confirm, automatically the order will be sent to exchange. You can check the order, your orders, just go to the reports and go to the order tab, where you can go and check all the pending orders, or fully executed orders, partially executed orders. You can cross check. Okay. Next, let me show you the market order. So if you want to execute the order immediately at market price, this order can be used. So all you need to do is, so just click the entry line, keep near market price, go and click it. And if you want to buy at market price, all you need to do is you just make the price as a 0 and enter the quantities and place the order. Immediately the order will be sent as a market order, the best available offer price. The order get executed at a best offer price. If you want to sell, it will get executed the best bid price available. Okay. So go and press it. Ensure the price as a 0 and place it. Automatically the order will be sent as a market order to the exchange. Let me show you next order type, stop loss orders. Say examples, you bought the shares at 361. You want to place a stop loss for that particular order. So you want to place an order below this swing low. All you need to do is just drag the entry line, keep it below swing and double click. And since it is you bought the shares, you want to select a sell stop loss. Sell, and your trigger price, trigger price is your stop loss price. What is it? 337.55 is your stop loss, right? You just mention 337.55 and you have to give a range. The price is, you give a buffer price 336.77. Sorry, 336.55. Okay, you're giving a 1 rupee buffer. The moment price hits the trigger price, automatically your order will get executed the best available price between 336.55 and 337.55. Okay, and say example, if you want to place the stop loss market, all you need to do is just make it price as a 0. So automatically the moment the price hits the the trigger price, automatically order will become the market order. Say example, if you place, it will become a market order. If you give a range 336.55 and place, look at this. Okay, it will go as a limit. The moment the price hits this trigger price, your order will become a limit price and order will get executed within this price range. Okay, we'll go to the next order type, that is stop loss buy order. Say example, you sold shares at 361. You want to protect that positions. You want to keep a stop loss over here. So again, same, double click. Your stop loss is your trigger price. Your stop loss is, you want to put a stop loss of 371.55. The moment price reaches this level, your order should be get executed, and give range 372.55. Please note, in a stop loss buy order, the price should be higher than trigger price. in a stop loss sell order, the price should be lower than trigger price. Please note. Same thing, and mention the quantities. Place. This is the stop loss buy order with the limit. If you want to place the stop loss market order, just make it 0 and place it. Okay guys, so there is a few advantages, stop loss limit orders, and few disadvantages. And the less slippage in a limit, stop loss limit orders, but in a stop loss market order, the slippage may be more, but your execution is assured. Okay, and in case of limit orders, your order may not execute within that range. Okay, that may happen. Now I'm going to show you how to place bracket order. It's a very important type of order. Okay, and it is very useful for a very active intraday trader. Come, let me show you how you can place that order. Just keep the entry type, entry line wherever you want to enter a bracket order. Double click. You can see the small window here. You can see normal, right? If you want to make it if you want to place a bracket order, just select a bracket. So in this bracket order, you can place the both sell stop loss and also target you can mention. So example, you are entering at a 361, your stop loss is a 351. So example, your stop loss is 351 and your target is 375. And then you mention the quantities and place button. Okay, this is how you can place. So say example, you want to buy immediately at market, you just make it market, make it 0 and place it. Okay guys, so this is bracket order at market. If you want to buy at a limit, you can mention the price. Okay, and one more I'm going to explain you. Say example, you want to enter at the breakout of this candle. Say example, you want to, this is the stop loss, this is the target, but you want to enter bracket order only if it breaks 363.4. You just mention trigger price 363.4, and since it's a buy order, you just give a limit price 363.8. The 40 paisa buffer you can give for intraday. So just give and place an order. So here stop loss you should modify. The stop loss you can modify as a 358.9 and target is 372.8. 372.8. Just go and place it. So three types of bracket orders. One, the limit, the bracket order. You're entering with a limit with a stop loss and target. The second is you're entering the market price with a stop loss and target. Third one is you're buying at a stop loss buy order, buying above a particular price and then with stop loss and target. The moment price price hits 363.4, automatically the shares will be bought and automatically stop loss and target order will be placed. Okay guys, this is how you can place buy the bracket order. The same way selling as well. You select sell and place same kind of a stop loss, target, and if you want to place a limit or market or breakout, stop loss orders, you can place stop loss bracket order. So you can place. One more technique I will show you how to place a bracket order from the chart directly. You just say example you want to enter at this price and with the stop loss of this and with the target of this. So all you need to do is go and click. Automatically all the values will be taken, stop loss, target and also entry level. Just mention number of quantities and place. Automatically order will be placed. This is the easiest way to place bracket orders in Sharekhan Trade Tiger. This is the easiest way. Okay, the next example is, say example you want to sell at your with a stop loss of this and target is this. Just go and double click and then you can click either Big Trade or Big Trade Plus. In a Big Trade Plus you will get a higher margin, up to 50 times you will get it. Then you just place it.
If you select a Big Trade Plus, you cannot place a bracket order with a trigger price, but you can place in investment and also Big Trade, but in a Big Trade Plus you cannot.
Okay, we'll go to the last type of order, that is again it's the sub part of the bracket order. You are just entering in 361 with a stop loss over here with a target. Okay, you just click it. The another type is the bracket with a trailing stop loss. You just click. The biggest advantage is just look at this. The stop loss is 4 rupees 80 paisa. So it is a similar to bracket order. The only you are adding a trailing stop loss. So what it the moment price moves, the 4 rupees, then look at 4 rupees 80 paisa. The price moves from 361 to 365.8. So the moment the price moves to 365.8, automatically your stop loss will move to break even. If it moves another 4 rupees 80 paisa, it the price will move from 361 to 365.8. The stop loss will go to the next level. So that is how you can trial your profit. So whichever hits first, automatically the order get executed and closed. If a stop loss hits first, automatically the all rest of the orders will get closed. If a target hits, automatically the trailing stop loss will get cancelled. In bracket TSL, there is a one feature you can see here. You just go and select the market price. So automatically the moment market price moves, the stop loss also will be trialed, but you can give one more condition, that is when market reach. If if you want to trial the stop loss only when market price reaches certain level. Say in this example, if price moves from 361 to 367, automatically your stop loss should be trialed. Till that time it should not move. In that is the case, what you can give is just mention 367. Automatically your trailing stop loss will move only when the price crosses 367.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.